Welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a team in Canva. So if you want to create a new team and collaborate with others on design project and share access to your designs, then simply watch the video till the end and follow the steps. Open your Canva application to get started. Also make sure that you're logged in to your account. After you're in this main home page, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left hand corner. It'll then open up the expanded menu. Now tap on the settings button at the bottom and under personal, tap on teams. Now on the teams page, you'll see a create a team button. Simply tap on it. Give your team a name on the next page. This can be the name of your organization, project, or any other name that identifies the group you are creating. After you are done, tap on Create New Team. Now, you've successfully created a team. To get access to it, tap on the menu bar at the top left from the main home page, and you should be able to see your team displayed. Simply go ahead and tap on it, and then you'll be able to see this display. If you want to edit your newly created team, you can click on this account settings button, and then under your team, you can now add a new team member. Simply tap on people in order to do that, and tap on the invite people button. Enter the email address of the people you would like to invite, and then tap on send invitation. You can do this for every other people you want to invite to your team. After typing in the email, tap on send invitation, and once the person from the other end accepts your invitation, you'll be able to add them on your team in Canva. So that is how you can easily create a team. Now, once the team members have accepted the invitation, you can collaborate on a design project together, edit, create, and share designs with your team. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.